Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is almost standing at 3000 level. To be precise, gold is standing around 2990. In fact, in our previous videos, we discussed also that if gold goes crazy, then the next resistance would be around 2985, 2990, and we can see that gold is standing at a resistance. But resistance doesn't mean reversal always, because market sentiment is the most important thing. If market sentiment is bullish, then obviously around a resistance you will just see gold just cuddling around. Okay, eventually we see market breaking the resistance and going up. Similarly, in case of support also, if market is extremely weak and there is a support doesn't guarantee bounce always. If there is support and if it is a very strong support, maybe you will see some sort of consolidation, and at one point market will break the support and go down. This is how market works, and that's why knowing the market sentiment is extremely important, because many people feel the resistance means sell, support means buy. It doesn't work like that. Trading is not that easy. So gold hovers at record peaks. Gold pauses after hitting record high. ICE 3000 milestone. Gold held steady on Friday after hitting a record high, as persistent uncertainty over US tariffs and fears of trade tensions propel prices, along with increased expectations of monetary policy easing by the Federal Reserve. So in simple words, okay, market is uncertain, okay, as a result of which gold is bullish right now. So in this situation, taking a sell or sitting on a sell position can be dangerous. Okay, yesterday also we discussed that we need to follow the trend of the market. Okay, we tried to understand with the help of an example, but today is a little bit different, because yesterday gold was trading around 294 2950, and now we can see that gold is almost standing at 3000 level. Okay, so listen to me carefully. Okay, things are about to get a little complicated, but it is very important for you guys to understand, because you will learn something. Okay. Now, the problem is that gold is standing at almost at 3000 level. Okay, 3000 is first of all a psychological resistance. Any round number is always a psychological support or resistance. Means highest number of orders are executed around these areas. That's why they always work as support or resistance. Here, now many people are predicting that there will be a trend reversal from 3000 level. When gold was at 2500, 2700, there were hundreds of people, experts, okay, who were predicting market reversal, but it did not happen. Because see, whenever a market, not only gold, any market around the world trades at the record high, lifetime high, okay, nobody knows how the market is about to behave. For example, at this moment I'm speaking to you, I also don't know how gold will behave, because market hasn't been to 3000 earlier. For example, if market comes to 2880, 2900, obviously we can, through some technical analysis, we can predict the next move of the market. But this is a complete new territory. Nobody knows how the market will behave. We just know that this is a psychological resistance. Okay. And the next important thing that we need to keep in mind is that overall the market sentiment is bullish. Means there is kind of an uncertainty throughout the world, and whenever a crisis, okay, is there globally, okay, gold is usually bullish. So at this moment we can assume that gold is bullish and gold will be bullish. So keeping in mind the ongoing market sentiment, it will be better for us, okay, still better for us, okay, to sit on buy position only, because market sentiment is bullish and there is no confirmation about trend reversal. But yes, today is Friday. Yeah, today is Friday, and as we all know, my dear friends, Fridays can be dangerous, because traders around the world, thousands and thousands of traders around the world, book their profit. So during the US session, listen to me carefully. During the US session, if you see market going down, it will be a profit booking, not a complete trend reversal. For example, if you see gold forming big fat red candles, okay, just like my size, okay, if you see gold forming big red candles, then also it will just be a temporary reversal, not a reversal for next couple of days and weeks, because for a trend reversal we need a news, we need a solid fundamental factor. Without news there cannot be any reversal here. But yes, today is Friday, we cannot deny it. Okay, so if any news comes out during the US session, okay, no, there's no news obviously. If you see any profit booking during the US session, please follow the trend of the market. For example, if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure on gold, gold is forming red candles, then just sit on a sell temporarily. Okay, by the end of the day, just exit from your position as well. Clear? And before the US session, market is bullish, so it will be better for us to respect the ongoing trend of the market and sit on buy position only. At this moment, 2948, 2949 is the best level where we should be looking for a buy position. Why? Because of price action. In a bullish market like this, previous resistance always work as support. We discussed earlier also. So 294849 is the best support or the strongest support as of now. Okay. In this situation, so during the day if we get a chance to buy around this area, we can look for a buy position, but chances of market coming down to 2948 is very less. So what we can do is we can look for immediate levels. So we are using FIBO here. Okay, so we can see the next level where you can look for buy is around 2978. Okay, then we have another level around 2970 and 2964. Okay, these are the three support levels on the chart of gold that we have derived with the help of Fibonacci to go for buy position. They are not precise numbers. It can be 2977 also, it can be 297071 also. So when market will enter the zone, okay, just observe the market on a lower time frame like 5 minutes or 15 minutes. If you see market taking support, as a day trader you can hit the buy button. And right now, do not go for big lot sizes because this is an unknown territory to all of us. Nobody knows how the market will behave. Just the market sentiment is bullish. We know it. So we are looking for buys only. Okay. And if any profit booking comes during the US session, it will be better for us to sit on a sell temporarily because that will be a temporary move only. Okay, and during the day, these are the three levels where you can look for a buy, and these levels are simply based on FIBO only. You can see this is one level, this is the starting point. We are considering various starting points, and we can feel that okay, these levels have the potential to provide support to the market. For example, during the European session, my dear friend, if you see that gold is standing at 2978 with a big red candle, use your common sense, do not go for buy, wait for the next level. Okay, wait for the next level. Okay, and at this moment we can see the market is going for a breakout. If you have any buy, you can hold your buy position, but I think after $10 move, means after $100 or $12, okay, there can be there can be a retracement. Okay, so at this moment it is very difficult to tell okay how the market will react, and buying and breakout is also high risk. Okay, but still, if you guys okay want to buy at breakout, be careful, go with a small lot size only. Okay, and during the day after $5 or $10 move, for example, when gold will hit 3000 level, okay, it may come down for retracement, then 2990 will be the new support. If you see market is coming down to 2990, market is taking support here, also you can buy. Means buying at retracement. As we all know, buying at retracement is always safer. Okay, so this is the ongoing market condition right now. Okay, and if you look at the option chain here, the number of contracts at 3000 are still standing strong and they have the highest contracts. So I think 3000 level is not going to surrender that easily. And if market goes up also, for example, gold is going, I don't think so at this moment gold is going to 3000, 3100, 3200. No, I think there will be some profit booking, there will be some temporary correction in the market, and the weekly closing is going to be important. If market closes below 3000 level, okay, then okay, we may see some temporary retracement next week. But at this moment 3200, many people, okay, I saw in some articles, many people are expecting 3100 in this month of March, especially before 26th of March. I don't think so okay gold is going to be super bullish. There should be some sort of retracement, but at this moment we don't have any indication. So follow the trend of the market. That is the only medicine. Okay, but be careful, do not go for big lot sizes also. At any point anything may happen. Right now this is a complete unknown territory to all of us, and during the US session, if you see a fat red candle, it will be a profit booking. If you want, you can follow the trend of the market, temporary market, and sit on a sell. But as of now, stick to the rules, follow the trend of the market. Okay. And my dear friends, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct only 3 times a year. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, specially designed for those people who are struggling with the money, unable to make money, knows all the indicators, patterns, but still not in profit. At first, there will be 3 consecutive classes, and then there will be 4 weekly sessions. These are the dates here. Hindi classes are starting from 4th of April and English classes starting from 11th of April. And these are the dates for the weekly sessions. All the details are mentioned on the website. I have stretched this for over a period of 1 month. एक महीने के लिए ज़्यादा समय खींचा है, because trading takes time. If we learn everything at once, we tend to forget. Okay, I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. So these are the topics that we will be discussing during the first 3 days. You can see that we are not going to learn anything, okay, fancy here. We will just look at the market as it is. It is important to understand the market, okay, in the right manner. And you'll also be receiving free risk management guide, discipline guide, checklist, calculators, and all. And we also have a WhatsApp community, WhatsApp group, where I post regular market updates and analysis, because it is very important for all of us to know how to proceed with the market. So almost every day you will find regular updates, analysis. Let me show you. So this is how the group looks like. You can see this group I formed for the April workshop. Okay, so these are the updates you will be receiving. So warning sign at first, because today is Friday, and you can see for GBP, USD, Euro, USD trading plan, buy setup, key warning. This is for gold, for our beloved gold. Okay, so everything is in detail. So those, okay, who do not have time for analysis, okay, they also participate, okay, because they get the ready-made stuff. Okay, and these are the topics of the weekly sessions. Okay, so it has been designed specially for those people, okay, who are struggling with the market. And all the classes are conducted over Google Meet. And as we have a time difference, so I record each and every session, so that if you miss, okay, you can watch later. And the best part is the fees. It's only $20 or rupees 1500 for Indians. Okay, it's for 7 days workshop and 1 month support. Trading takes time. Okay, it's a journey. If you're looking for mentorship, guidance, personal sessions with me, you can go with semi-annual or lifetime support. Okay, everything is very much affordable here. You can see in semi-annual support, you'll be receiving 2 personal sessions with me, and in lifetime support, you'll be receiving 6 personal sessions with me. Okay, and these are the payment methods. Once you are done with the payment, okay, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and be careful during the US session today.